If you are a tacos person and you like quick and easy meals, this video is for you, so stay tuned.
It's the coach, CeeCee.
Big brain, hit 'em with that.
Here are the ingredients that you will need. You got your almond flour, Parmesan cheese, your tortillas, your already washed cod, seasonings of your choice, and this will help with making it crunchy when I put it in the air fryer. Some broccoli slaw, whipping cream, an egg, coleslaw dressing, and that is what we'll be using to add the almond flour and Parmesan cheese to coat it with. Let's get started. My shirt says Serial Killer Documentaries and Chill. Let's get right into it. Here you have your freshly washed cod, and you can also use any fish that you would like. Parmesan cheese for covering the cod so that it could be fried, and the almond flour is optional, of course, but it gives it a better batter. And then we have our Old Bay seasoning, and you can use your seasoning of choice. I just wanted mine to taste fishy, of course, so I use Old Bay. And add a little pepper in there. Notice I did not measure anything, but I definitely will leave the ingredients in the description box below so that you have them ready, so that maybe you can follow along with me while we're cooking the fish tacos. I had to add a little bit more cheese because I had a few more pieces of fish that I needed to batter. So I wanted to make sure that I had enough to cover it all. And that is the garlic powder. Next, we're going to be getting our eggs ready so that we can use that to help the batter stick onto the fish. You can also use mustard if you would like. I think I would prefer mustard actually, but I just didn't have none at the moment. So you mix that with a little heavy whipping cream and it gives you a consistency like this. And depending on how many pieces of fish you have, that's how much eggs and heavy whipping cream that you will need. Then we're gonna just batter our fish with the egg wash and the Parmesan cheese and almond flour mixture, just so that we can have it kind of crunchy. Also, you can add in there some baking powder to keep it crunchy. And today I'll be using an air fryer, but you can also fry it on the stove, or you can put it in the oven, of course. And that is how it should look. Dip it like so, like this, in my Tabitha Brown voice. And then just do each piece of fish like that. And I always let mine sit for a while so the batter can kind of sit on there, or I'll put it in the refrigerator for a few minutes. Funny story, after I put these into the air fryer, I did not realize that the air fryer was not plugged up. So even though it's not plugged up, the timer will still work, it just won't be on. So when the timer goes off, I go check it, and lo and behold, the fish is still cold. So yeah, I had to wait another little while. And depending on what type of air fryer you got, that will tell you what degrees and what time you should put it on. And while we're waiting, we can go ahead and make our coleslaw. It's really simple, so I won't even talk you through it. Just take a look. Now look at these fish tacos. They were as good as they look. Hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time.